What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase. Alright, if you've been wondering how to buy Bitcoin, then this video is for you. So let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna give you guys a simple step-by-step guide on how to go through this process. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into the Coinbase account on the Coinbase mobile app, or you can do that on the official website through your computer. And once you're logged into your account, just go to the buy sell tab. Now once you're there, you want to select Bitcoin as the currency to buy, and then you're going to need to enter the amounts of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and you're gonna need to choose your payment method. Now there are a couple of ways for you to pay. You can just choose the one that suits you the best, and then once that's done, just confirm the purchase, and you're gonna need to wait for the transaction to be successfully processed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.